I hope you are ready for a math workout. This is lesson 87, and we are going to be doing a lot of two-digit by two-digit multiplication. So let us begin. Here we go, the practice set. We start with our ones. 2 times, what I'd like you to do is to fill this out, pause this right now, do A through H, and then come back and follow along with me and see if you did it correctly. So here we go. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. My step 2 is to put a 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Then I add these up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry my 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Let's try the next one. 23 by 30 times 32. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Put a 0 down underneath the ones column. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. I'm adding this. I'm like, let's add this. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry 1. 746. And here we notice this is the commutative property. Meaning that you can, of multiplication. Meaning that you can, it doesn't matter the order that they're in, you will still get the same number. Now, had that little side note. Let's begin again. Seems like we're doing a lot of 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. Put our 0 for step 2. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Add those together. 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry our 1. 516. Our next one. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Put our 0 down. Now 2 times 4 is 6. Wait, guys, we would get in trouble. I'm jumping the gun. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. This is where you have to be really vigilant and pay close attention to what you are doing. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 8 is, I have to think about this, 11, carry our 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Now, 32 times 32, which I put a little note. Well, something times it's something. We could also say 32 squared. Let's do this. 2 times 2 is 6. 2 times, guys, let's undo that. Okay, there we go. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm jumping the gun. 2 times 3 is 6. Put our 0 down. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Add these up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. Carry our 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1024 is the square root of 32. Is 32 squared, is the value of 32 squared. Here we go again. 32 times 14. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Put a 0 down. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Feels like I'm saying this a lot. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry our 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 308. We're almost done, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Put our 0 down. 3 times 3 is 9. Come next door. 3 times 1 is 3. Add these up. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry our 1. 416. Finally, we have 33 squared. Let's begin. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Put a 0 down. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. That's a lot of 9s, guys. Add these all up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry our 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So put our 0 down and our 1. So 33 squared is 1,089. Thank you for sticking with me. I wish you well. Have a great day.